I'm Amy from Higher Elevation, and here are 3 most common mistakes we see when someone's purchasing a stairlift. 1. Not doing enough research. It is important that you use a reputable company. A great way of doing this is by checking the reviews of a company. You can find reviews on sites such as Facebook, Google Reviews, Trustpilot and Trade. You can see what previous customers' experiences have been like with that company. 2. Buying a model that does not meet their needs. This is why at Higher Elevation, we encourage you to book a survey with one of our experts who can go through the stairlifts with you to make sure that we match the right stairlift for you and your home. Not getting a professional installation. Having a stairlift installed incorrectly can be very dangerous and cause serious injury. If you found this video helpful, please click that follow button for our next top tips. If you would like some more information, then give us a call on 0333 567 1234.